Hello dear friends. Today I will share with you a strategy that is very effective, and if you follow the rules exactly, you can surely increase your capital regularly. It is always known that there is a high possibility of high returns by making short, medium and long-term investments in financial assets on the stock market. But please do not forget that carelessly made buy and sell movements can lead to bankruptcy. Now, the strategy I will share with you will protect you from a bad scenario and increase your capital if you strictly adhere to the rules of the strategy and apply it with patience. My only request from you is to subscribe to the channel so that you can be informed immediately of my future videos and click on the like button so that I can reach a larger audience. Also, if you have any questions about the strategy, please write in the comment section and I will try to help you with pleasure. Now let's move on to the strategy. First, I will bring up the settings of the indicators we will use for this strategy one by one on the screen. If you want, you can pause the video to make the settings more comfortable. Now I'm quiet and bringing the settings to the screen. I will return when we move on to the rules. For a long position, we should see a value in the range of 0.00 to 0.10 in the STOCH RSI indicator. After receiving confirmation from STOCH RSI in the range of 0.00 to 0.10, we should wait for the closing of a green candle above the upper line of the SMA. It is expected that the price will visit the inside of the SMA corridor again with the needle or body of a bar. The closing of a green bar above the upper line again is the entry point for the long position. Our stop-loss level should be placed below the candle we entered if there is a very close last wave, or below the middle line of the SMA if the last wave is very far away. The price target is brought to a level of 1 to 1.5, recommended, or 1 to 2 according to the risk perception of the trader. For a short position, we should see a value in the range of 100 to 99.90 in the STOCH RSI indicator. After receiving confirmation from STOCH RSI in the range of 100 to 99.90, we should wait for the closing of a red candle below the lower line of the SMA. 3. It is expected that the price will visit the inside of the SMA corridor again with the needle or body of a bar. It is expected that the price will visit the inside of the SMA corridor again with the needle or body of a bar. The closing of a red bar below the lower line again is the entry point for the short position. Our stop-loss level should be placed above the candle we entered if there is a very close last wave, or above the middle line of the SMA if the last wave is very far away. The price target is brought to a level of 1 to 1.5, recommended, or 1 to 2 according to the risk perception of the trader. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you strictly follow the rules of the strategy and patiently wait for all the criteria that will meet all the rules, you will definitely increase your capital. It is truly an effective strategy that can be used in all time frames. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. I will try to help you with pleasure. See you in our next video.